Here we are in the showroom with the all-new Nova SI4 lineup. Full range. You got the K machines, which are a little bit lighter duty, and then you got the Nova SI4, which are a little bit more heavy duty. Here we see the Nova SI4 all manual machine. Now we'll jump over here to the Nova SI4 semi-manual machine. The blade group is still adjusted manually, but the rip fence now has the ready controller that you see there, or only the rip fence, and the rip fence now also has the ball screw rather than the cable drive that you see there. And then from the ready to the ready 3, we have the Nova SI4K EP, and that has the Ready 3 controller up, meaning the overhead controller that you see there. 3-axis control. Again, the ball screw drive. All of them have the new sliding table with 10-year warranty. And then we jump to the Nova SI4 EP, heavy duty machine. Now we're going entry level industrial with the 3-axis control. All in one place. Nice machines.